see showing no channels. Even when you press here, you don't have any channels available. So the next thing would be to scan for channels. Again, you press menu, you go in installation, select antenna settings. Then first you have to select your satellite. For this exercise, we are going to use this is the satellite that is used by the channels we are going to scan. This is our satellite. Transponder, you can leave it at that, because it's going to auto. Yeah, there's a way you can move through it, and it will select all available transponders, so you don't have to worry about that. LNBQ, you leave it as universal. These can be, if you have a motorized dish, one that rotates automatically, so when you'll have to be concerned with these. That one can help you. You can be able to get channels from different satellites at different satellite positions. It's quite remarkable. Then I'm going to select all channels. Let me select scrambled channels. Then under, I'm going to do a blind search. Here you'll see you have very many options. A blind search searches, I think from default, it searches for everything. And then it's a blind search, but you're searching for more than one satellite. Here you don't need such satellite televisions. Here you can search by transponder, but today we are searching by this. They'll ask you if you want to do a super blind scan. You say yes. Now, yeah, the search is going to run. It runs for some minutes, maybe between 5 and 10. So I'm going to pause for a meantime, and we will resume after it's done searching. Once it's done, it shows you the number of channels, the number of radio stations. Yeah, that's what it will display. Yeah, you can always press exit and you quit. Now on your remote, you'll see there's a button called the channels are here. Now these are the channels that were scanned. Channels that appear in white channels that appear in cream. Some decoders, they will be displayed in different colors, but the primary ones that are in white, they are channels you can't watch.